There's a new industry arising, which really is the industrial internet industry, just like there's an internet industry. And a lot of companies are going to have to realize that they're now part of that industry, and where they were very focused on a small piece of what they're doing, they think of themselves as a sensor technology for oil and gas or something. In reality, they're now becoming part of a much bigger picture.
You can see that the Internet of Things is going to have immediate impact on a bunch of markets. So there are obviously huge social disruptions, and there are going to be huge disruptions for manufacturers as well. The most obvious example is moving to an outcome-based economy, where the manufacturer is actually trying to manufacture a solution for his or her customer, not just a widget to sell. That comes back to the company in terms of not only how do I build it, but how do I sell it, how do I lease it, because it's probably going to move from CapEx to OpEx. How do I service it, and how does that change the way that I account for things?
Today, in the manufacturing plant, a product is produced, it's distributed, and the consumer uses it. Going forward, it's going to be a continuous cycle. When the product is manufactured and it is shipped to the customer, there will be a continuous feedback loop where the product will be reporting back. What is its situation? When does it need to be repaired? When does it need more supplies? And as a result, the user experience and the manufacturing experience will both be revolutionized.
One of the keys of this is really we're enabling people. Allowing people to communicate, allowing people to share data. We're a company that's going into a high-performance work team structure, and that's driving a lot of our efforts, is enabling the collaboration and the communication flow.
It's helping change the perception of what manufacturing is, making it exciting for young people to get involved in manufacturing and overcome some of the stigma we've had against manufacturing. And so I think it really has an opportunity to open up the industry overall to young people.
With the ability to connect devices, people, things anywhere in the world, the manufacturing environment has to take advantage of that today. With the retiring workforce that's out there, being able to go and tap on a machine is no longer going to be valuable. You've got to be able to get the data from the machines, interact that with multiple different enterprise systems in one view. That will give you the visibility and insights to keep going forward and be more profitable within your organization.
Being able to deliver the right information to decision makers at the right time, but also automating some of what we're doing to enable the next generation of smarter machines that can act more autonomously.
We're going to see just the most fantastic products and services coming out using the best technology in the future, and it's all going to be connected by the internet.